Hello everyone, and today I am going to be showing you a tutorial about making a vending machine. So it is quite simple. You need few materials and it is really doable. It is really simple. So if you wanna learn how to do it, then watch my video to the end, okay? Sorry about my voice, guys. I have a flu. Yes. So if you wanna watch more of this tutorial, be sure to leave a comment down below any suggestions you want, and please like the video if you do so, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because I hope you'll enjoy it and in my future videos. So I'll show you an example. So this trades with nothing. Anyway, this is the example. This is my vending machine for CLG apple or gapple for 1 diamond. So I'm gonna get 8. Let me get some diamonds. Jeez, where's diamond? Oh, here. I'll put in the chest for now. Get 1 diamond, and let me place 1 diamond over here, so it gives me 1 golden apple. Wasn't it working? Hey, you money stealer, why aren't you working? There. Yes, 4. So it was just bugging. So yeah. So if you want to learn how to do that, look at my video carefully. Oops, spoil. I'm just kidding. So this is the view of it from the inside, from that one. So I made 2 accidentally. So that one, yes. So it is 4 by 3 and 3 deep. So I'm gonna dig this up like that, and so just keep digging. So let me finish this. Oops, sorry, destroying stuff. Let me replace that one with wood. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna need to place 2 blocks of that, a wood, any kind of wood will do. It's just for temporary. And you need hopper, because you need to place that, and then place another hopper and get rid of that and get a chest. Yes, a chest. And then get the wood, place it over here like that, and boop, boop, and boop, like that. Do it like that. And then let me ensure the brightness so that you'll see properly. So after that, you place the redstone over there and put the redstone block, put the redstone, get a redstone repeater and redstone repeater, and put another block, any kind will do, and then get a redstone torch. So over here, torch over there, and torch over here. So that one. And then, wait a second, I missed something. And then you need redstone comparator over there, so it's connected, and that. So you need to place another block over here on top of that, and like this, and so. Then what you're going to do is put it into there and get the redstone comparator and redstone repeater, and you need redstone dust, and you're done. I mean, actually you're not done, I'm still going to teach you something. And turn it on like that, and get the dropper. Dispenser, I'm sorry. And you're gonna need to go down over here, and you're gonna need to get the one that you're gonna use as a payment. So I'm gonna use a coal as payment, and I need also a bed for some reason. There. Poop. I need a thing that doesn't stack, because so that nothing else will go inside there, if you understand me. Because some of the people will use and cheat something. Like, I'm gonna put something else. So yes, if you heard that 2 clicks, tick tick. And next is I'm gonna sell maybe a steak. A steak will do. That. So I'm gonna cover it up like so, and it depends on you how to decorate it. So mine will be just like that. And so I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna get a chest for now over here, and the payment was coal. Yes, coal. I'm gonna put the coal right here and get 5. So I hope I get 5 as well. So back it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So it is really simple. You can do it as many times as you want. It is really simple. So all you need to do is follow the steps that I made. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. So don't forget to comment down below any suggestions that you want to learn, and please support our channel by subscribing and like this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.